तो अभी आप देखोगे ना, तो चैट जीपीटी में एक नया फीचर आया है जिसको ये लोग बोलते हैं कोड इंटरप्रेटर। आपको दिख रहा है ये कोड इंटरप्रेटर, राइट? तो ये कोड इंटरप्रेटर में व्हाट यू कैन डू इज यू कैन बेसिकली अपलोड एनी डेटा, आपका सेल्स का, लीड का, जनरली जो भी आपका अगर कुछ है तो सारा डेटा आप अपलोड कर सकते हो। और फिर आपको जो बेसिकली इंस्ट्रक्शन दोगे उसके बेसिस पे अपने को बेसिकली डेटा इंटरप्रेट करके डेटा एनालिटिक्स करके देगा। मतलब आप ये समझिए कि फॉर एग्जाम्पल आपने अभी मुझे एक शीट दी है, मैं ये शीट को अपलोड करता हूँ यहाँ पे। It has taken the file. Now, what kind of data analysis or what kind of analysis you want? Tell me.
Sorry, one second. Can you repeat the question, please?
I'm saying we uploaded the data, and whatever instructions we will give about analysis of data or about specific information you want, it will give you. So tell me what kind of information you want this to analyze, or what kind of data analytics you want.
Okay, hold on. What is that you have given? Okay. All this is how do we calculate? I mean, like, how do we assess the executive-wise performance?
Okay. So data and help me with executive-wise performance. Also
executive.
Okay. Also give me way to I'm saying also analyze trend in I'm also asking to give us some trends, right? So let's see. So now it is basically looking into the data. It is already finishing the work. So it has analyzed your data. So it has given you the whole sales chart. See. Invoice amount, again amount received, again outstanding payment.
Yes.
So it can give you data interpretation, it can give you performance measurement, it can give you charts, it can give you all the analytics you want.
Okay, how did you put this Excel? You just copy pasted the Excel, huh?
Yeah, I just uploaded the Excel.
Uploaded Excel. Okay.
And then you can give different instructions and it will give you all the answers.
Okay. All this is you're using paid version.
Yeah. Okay, based on above. अभी आपको एम्प्लॉय का जिससे फॉर एग्जांपल इंसेंटिव सिस्टम बनाना है, राइट? तो आपको देखना है कि किसने सबसे अच्छा सेल्स किया, क्या किया, राइट? तो बेस्ड ऑन अबव हेल्प मी एनालाइज द बेस्ट एम्प्लॉय based on consistency of sales, volume of sales, and number of units. So it will give us that also, I believe. Let's see. See, Sanket is the highest performer when it comes to sales by amount. Top 10 sales manager by number of sales. So first is the number of sales done. So like kind of Soma has done more number of sales while Sanket has done better amount of sales. It has given you the report.
Okay. Oh, okay. This is interesting.
Right? It has given amounts. See. So Sanket leads total sales amount with actually 25.77 million, followed by Prabodh Shukla with approximately this amount.
Okay.
Giving you the least performer.
Okay. Oh, this is fantastic. This is fantastic. Within 5 minutes, we are getting so many data.
Yes. And it's just we not ask a right question. If you will ask a right, proper, detailed question, it will give you answer as you ask. We are just implementing, right? So if you have a specific goal in mind, and if you put that specific goal in a proper way, it will give you proper. It's like a small baby, right? You'll have to give it proper instruction. So if you like tell it कि वहां पे जाओ तो वो सिर्फ जाएगा, वापस नहीं आएगा. You'll have to tell it कि जाके वापस आओ.
Okay.
Right?
Okay.
Now, based on systems. So I'm also asking based on different parameters, which one is best. Let's see. So they have made a total score considering the pointers that we have given, these 5 pointers. And based on these 5 pointers, they have basically scored your employee. And Sanket is coming like far better than everyone else.
Okay.
They have given rating.
Okay, but the thing is, this is too small for me to see. How can I download it and all these things?
I'll make it bigger and I'll give you the better version also. Can you see this?
Yeah, I can see.
So Sanket is just scoring more than 2.5. Second is Prabodh Shukla. It is important that this analysis provide a good starting point. Other factors might also be important to consider while evaluating the performance. This could include customer feedback, the profitability of the sales. So they also suggested us other parameters on which we can basically kind of judge them. Right? And then you can ask it also that what can be the performance incentive for the same, what kind of incentive we can provide them. See, actually what I'm doing is I'm removing my own role.
Correct.
Right? But still, it's a good tool you should know about, right?